Hey guys, good morning. We are not. Food is not everything in life. Jesus fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. Nope. Nope, why are you dumping them on me?
He's on the best.
Good morning. How you guys doing today? And welcome back to another vlog. Well, I feel like this is my vlogs are so few. Anyways, you guys, I'm so tired. I'm pretty sure you can see it on my face. I'm exhausted. I don't think I have slept up to more than 5 hours in a long time. So I got a call yesterday for a last minute client, and I didn't want to turn her down because she's a repeat customer. She's also my friend, so I was just considering that. Otherwise, I was like, it's 8 o'clock on a weekend and I'm out of the house. I have to account for something. Guess who is my intern for the day? I'm always roping him into doing my videos with me because I just need the support, like someone to help me set up the lights and everything. So I always just like rope him and say, please come and help me. He doesn't have a choice. Anyways, people are always writing tip Casey, so I guess I spoiled the surprise. So say hello.
Your intern that you don't pay. See the time I woke up on a Saturday.
Oh please,
I don't wake up like this on a Saturday. Please keep my money, I can't shout.
Right.
So that I won't have problems.
Instead of you to be thanking me
For what?
for taking you on as a free apprentice in this production business.
Hey, Willie, I'm tired.
So I had to pick Casey from his house. Isn't it weird? Which husband and wife says I went to pick him from his house? But I kind of like the sound of that, right?
It doesn't sound good.
Casey doesn't like it because you know now. You know.
See my eyes, I've not slept. Please.
Casey, nobody cares about your
Please,
eyes.
as you are going, buy your intern food. Please, I want to eat good food.
As I was saying, I think it was a mistake to even introduce him to her. So we're going, today is going to be a fully packed, I hope it's going to be a fully packed vlog, I don't know. But after the production, I want to continue producing this vlog. So I'm going to Yaba Market to buy some thrift store items. Why are you being a hater?
I'm not going.
I'm going to Yaba Market to buy some thrift store items. It's been a long time. And you guys know that the economy is hard. The only time I went to Yaba Market was like 10 years ago. Why are you peeping into my vlog? I know you want to say something. Nobody cares about you. Anyway, this is my vlog. This is not Couples channel vlog. Last time I went to Yaba Market was like 12 years ago. I remember that there used to be trains there and stuff. I don't know if it's still the same right now, but let's see how it goes. And then I'm going to finish coloring my hair white. What you guys don't know is I went back to do it, but the hair was burning me again, so we're not able to do it. Like, it's crazy. But then I gave it a cut. I cut it to the style that I want it to be. Gave it a line here. Don't worry, you guys will see everything. I just hope that I finish from Yaba Market on time so I can go and finish coloring the hair white and edit this video and post it tomorrow. Today is Saturday and I want this video to be out tomorrow, Sunday. This weekend is going to be fully packed. Like, I don't think I'm going to have a breather. Tomorrow as well, me and Casey are going house hunting. We're continuing our house hunting and we're going to film it for our couples channel. Anyways, so that's it, you guys. Let's spend the day together. Hey, Casey, see?
I'm hungry.
Who cares?
Please, give your intern food, please.
I'm not going to be flashing the camera. This is my vlog. Go away. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Also, I recruited Casey so that while I'm like setting up and stuff, it can be capturing clips and stuff like that. Are you hearing your job description? Are you hearing your job description?
Just buy me food first.
See you guys later. So we just got to the client's location and we are about to shoot. Casey, stop moaning. Stop it. Who cares? So you will not hear what because Casey is hungry. Who cares?
Good employer.
Whatever.
You're supposed to feed your staff.
You're not my laborer. You're my husband.
I came here to work for you.
So you do whatever I tell you to do, right?
Business is business.
This family business.
This is not family business.
Where all the money comes to me.
Business is business.
What is happening? So let's set up. My laps are not showing.
Please naked yourself.
My laps are showing. Ace, fine boy. What are you forming this morning? Do you think anybody cares?
I'm hungry. See, I've not slept.
Are you the first person to be hungry? Food is not everything in life. Jesus fasted for 40 days and 40 nights.
You are using me. You are using my creative time.
I can't be using you.
My creative sense. You are not paying. Come on to give your employee food.
How would you know I'm your wife if I don't do that?
This is business. I don't play with business.
So what is all this activity?
Yes.
You guys just imagine I brought Casey out. Look at what he went to wear. Look at what.
See this your clothes. Say you know it's short.
Casey, please don't start.
If you
This is
do
how you
like
met
this,
me.
If you do like
We are not going on that journey.
If you are going
We are
to
not that
Yaba
couple.
today.
So, see me, I'll be looking like every time I bring Casey out for production, I'll be looking like household.
Why are you showing your laps?
What is all this? Please, I was showing my laps before we married, and I'm going to continue. In fact, if my dress was reaching here before, now it's going to start reaching.
Please.
Hey.
Put it. See, next time don't wear clothes.
Okay. So, as far as you're happy with it, why are you looking taller than me?
You're
not that
are you pricing school fees? I'm 6 foot.
That's why you lied to me that you're 6 feet before we met. When I met you, you're like 5'2".
Me, 5'2". I'm 6 plus,
So
6'1" or
please.
so.
Hold
Of
it.
6.
My hand is spinning me.
Oh Jesus! Are they doing reactor?
Yes. How am I looking short?
You are short.
Get out.
Why? I hear this thing they call body shaming.
Don't body shame me, but I look really short. Casey, let me show them my outfit.
This is what you are wearing to Yaba.
Yes.
Okay. Oh.
You're a hater.
I'm not a hater.
I hope you guys are following our couple's channel, by the way. So much content coming up there.
I know this is your new channel now. You will hear Pepe.
Yeah, no.
Nigerians will come for you.
This is annoying. Anyways, let me do the job that is paying me. Unlike some. Casey, have you paid me salary since I married you?
No, I've not
there's something
paid.
called marriage salary.
Yes, oh.
Good. So,
I know.
start budgeting for it.
I budgeted for it.
See you guys after the production. Okay. I just took off my mask. I've been wearing it all day, okay? Hey guys, so update. I'm now at Yaba Market. It's not really what I remember it used to be. These are my friends.
We went to the take one. She made us go inside the mall.
Zainab.
Didn't they pay for rent?
But Yaba is Yaba, mall or not?
Not Yaba.
And
There are
Dollar
three
Pop.
categories of Yaba. There's one with the A grade, a B grade, A kind of thrifting.
Yeah.
And that's where this madam took us to.
Sorry.
Who goes to buy
Sorry.
car in a
You
mall?
should not be angry. It's called thrifting, not Okrika. Don't be Raz, Zainab. Or Quicks. So now we've left there. They were giving us big price, like the boutique price. So we said, let's go and get. Because me, I came here for 1K, 2K, 1.5. Not all those big prices. I know where to go for big prices. The Lapa wants to eat Raz food.
Not Ras food.
From places she does not know what the hygiene is like. See.
Hello?
So we're actually lucky because Zainab knows somebody that sells in this market. So the guy is going to come and meet us and take us to his store. This thing is extremely exhausting and tiring. I just finished from my productions. I haven't rested, I haven't slept. I haven't done anything with my life today apart from create content. So see them judging me over there.
The guy is here by today.
So you guys, let's go inside the real Yaba market, like inside the market, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. Thank you, my love. I'm not pretty. Thank you. Hope train is not coming, no Zainab. Look at this camera and say, in this life I must be rich.
In this life, I must be rich. I need to stop going to all this place.
So that you don't cross the railway to go and shop. You enter inside Versace and they'll say good morning. Look at this camera and say, in this life, say it after me, in this life,
this life.
I must be rich.
Must be rich.
So that I'll not cross railway.
I'm like, yes.
So go and look for cheap clothes. Chai. Please, I'm just joking, no, before people come for me. I'm just playing.
Hello, sister.
Don't worry, you guys. No, sit down.
This shirt is not good.
I'll stay with you.
Can't be far from the
I'm a couple guy now. I'll throw.
Shake it.
This is the Yaba I remember from 12 years ago.
Okay, you're smiling at me. Huh? This is Yaba. This one is
The one where you bend down to select your clothes. It's called bend down select for a reason. Dolapo.
See the Aqua's background.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, go say. In this life.
Oh yeah.
Alright. I'm beginning to.
Travel agent.
Okay, it's fine. Let me see.
Okay, you guys, so I'm beginning to feel like you can't exactly get what you particularly want. when you go thrifting.
It's not
So just pick the closest thing to what you want and kind of make it work, I think. But Dolapo wants to say otherwise. So Dolapo, what do you have to think? What do you think about finding your style when you go thrifting? This is the thrift queen, but she's a rich billionaire. Yay.
So when you're a plus size person, you're buying thrifting, they usually just look for your size person and they try to dump it on you so that you can quickly buy it and leave.
And go.
You have to insist on your style. If not, you just wear one shapeless outfit that you don't enjoy.
Just because you want to thrift.
Exactly.
So Dolapo has given us the tip now, so we have to actually find what we want. I want bodycon I can throw my jacket on and wear to the office, so that's what I'm going to get. So I think this is going to be a longer day than I thought. It's going to be worth it. How you guys doing? Fortunately, we didn't see what we wanted in that first store, so we're going to the another one. This is the queen of thrifting. Don't be deceived though. Don't be deceived. So as a billionaire, all this queen of thrifting is just wash. Somebody said this one the first class ladies. So we didn't find what we wanted. Wait, is this where all the slave queens on Instagram come to?
Most of them, yes.
So they come and buy thrifted items and be forming. Yeah. You guys actually got lost, and my heart skipped a beat. I was so scared. We arrived at the store.
Look at this thing. This is a tube down. Use leg for me.
Bring my size. Bring my size. You're not bringing my size. These are the hips that don't lie.
See this? Yeah.
It's fine. It's sleeveless. That's what we're talking about. It's not even going down.
So you don't cover your part.
Be watching your follow.
Yes. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I am so exhausted. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm so tired. All I want to do now is eat and sleep and have my bath. I feel so stinky and sweaty and smelly. But I'm going to tell you guys one thing that helped us in this market, and that's the fact that we knew my friend Zaina, baby girl. So they knew someone that knows the market, so the person came to take us around. That helped us an absolute great deal, and despite that, I'm still so tired. I wasn't able to see as much stuff as I thought I would see. I only bought 3 dresses and 1 play suit. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'm really trying to look energized and happy and shouty on my usual self, but I'm exhausted. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's a quick one, chill vlog, thrift shopping in Nigeria. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Dala say bye. Zainab. Bye.